Hi there, this is Carrie Gee. I'm here to present my third project, a professional app that is well, not three different, but with different types of formats for different applications, integrated application. Let's take a look. So, kind of went off a couple different ideas as far as things go. I want to take a look at different professions, try and figure out what I wanted to do. Decided to do pet rescues because um, that's something I take a look at a lot. Um, so my main things was trying to find nearest location to show you the animals available to meet within certain parameters. Like obviously, it would be the worst to show up and only find out that that animal was adopted an hour ago. But like, I understand that rescues can't maintain like every down to the second kind of interaction. So I would mention that as far as parameters go, that things can be changed within that day. It also show all the locations and that kind of stuff. So that way you can sort out who's close to you, who's not close to you, and also which animals are close to you. Because a lot of these rescues will have like different locations, and it's nice to see an animal in person, see if you like them. Um, so I'm mainly focusing on cats because I know a lot of the times they'll have like weekday locations where they'll have cats all the time. Not as much with dogs, but some of the local mall spots will have dogs as much as cats. So yeah, I went through what I thought web view functions would be good for, and tablet view would be good for, and mobile, which would be the same kind of functions for on the go. And then I made mock-ups of all three. I really didn't think that I needed to make a mock-up for mobile as much, just because I thought, it's just the main web but smaller. But a lot of people really focused on you need to have a web and you have to have a mobile for, like, they just said that mobile was most helpful for that kind of thing. And while I agree, I wanted to take a look at the different functionalities and not rather the same functions, just smaller. Okay, so we went from the home page. Here's our login. If we take it to the login, it'll take us to our next view. But let's take a look at what it looks like to an end user. So this is like an everyday user, someone who is coming to find pets. If you go to pets page, you can click on Felix's profile. You can click on this map, pops up a map, takes you back so you can see exactly where he is. Here's a picture of him. It has a description of him. He's available to meet with families on set at Santan Mall on Saturdays. Has information about the rescue. Has how much he appears to be, but also verbiage to notate that this might be different in case he's a special kitty. Um, and then it has a blurb about the rescue, which I think is nice. And then it has a map of where he's at, and I have a logo of the rescue, specifically logo of the website up here. So that's our pet view. This is the pet profile. There might be multiple pictures, so this could be a slideshow depending on if who he's at uploads. So like if they have a what do they call them? A foster parent. They might take lots of pictures. If he's at a facility, they might take different seasonal photos to try and get more interest in certain pets. I do see that quite a bit. So that's our pet view, pretty much, both the pet overview and the profile, which is, this is the overview and the profile I showed you. Here's a list of rescues in your local area. Here's our events. It has adoption event at ABC Rescue. You click on that, you get more information. And then let's take a look at what happened when we log in. This takes us to a different view. So this is going to be our rescue view. I changed the color mostly for visual help, just to make sure that we know what we're getting into. I like these icons they had there for new application received. So this is for something where, oh, this is someone wants to adopt Felix, so that's why I like the likes. And then the alert there is a new journal entry recorded from a foster parent. So that would be something where the foster parent noticed something cute or fun or exciting about Felix, maybe what kind of toys he likes, that kind of stuff. And that would be something that the potential family might want to know, but it's also something that the rescue can resolve or submit for the bio, depending on how they feel the journal entry is. Okay, so there's our pet view, and our list view is over here. We've got location, so you can set the location and availability for all the animals here. You can have a calendar view and add events. You have a rescue view. You have current application, upload new, current adoption rates, and then update those. Current volunteer agreement, upload new. So that way you can take a look at all the things you currently have set and then update them if you need to for your rescue. Um, and then let's see, that's rescue. And then account, takes you back in. And then let's go take a look at mobile view. As far as mobile view goes, we've got here, we've got, Felix. We've got, oh, this one apparently didn't link up. Okay, here we go. So this is what we see on tablet view for one of our users here. This will be for the foster parent view. So you can see that they're currently assigned Felix. There's other cats available for adoption. And then they can write in their journal, Socks is making great friends with our dog, blah, 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 upload image, submit. So that way they can add more information and that kind of stuff there. And then let me switch over to the mobile view. That's an XD. Okay, let's switch over to mobile because I forget which one I linked over. Okay. Oop, where'd you go? Okay, and then same old jazz. Pets, Felix, rescues, events, account. And then you'd be able to log in and see most of the features. I feel like overall the rescue probably won't be doing as much on the phone as they will be, at a web desk kind of full view there, or maybe even tablets at the adoption events. Anyways, so that's my perfect match app, and hopefully you can see a lot of great uses for that. Thanks.